Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sound works. Cool. Alrighty. Do, do, do. Looks like we're live. At least on YouTube. All right. Okay. So this last week, it looks like they have released the MS-DOS 4 source code, and we're gonna try to compile it. We'll see how this goes. I've got to fire up the Windows 98 machine here, and then we can start by looking up. Actually, I'm gonna boot it up while we're talking here. So we're gonna do this on a Windows 98 machine. I saw somebody online did it with a really old machine, and it took like 45 minutes. I'm hoping this this version that we're gonna do is gonna be a little less crazy. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we'll be able to do this successfully tonight. It may take some finagling. This code that they've released is actually pretty rudimentary. It's all in assembly, so we'll see how this goes. And I have zero experience compiling it, so I don't even know if they have all the infrastructure and everything for things to get set up. So part of this is going to be completely exploratory, and we may not even, it may not even happen. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, let's get that thing booting up. Starting. Okay. So I have not looked at this at all. I figured I wanted to leave it for stream. I wanted to see exactly what was in here and capture my thoughts live as we get into it. So it's all MIT licensed, which is crazy for a Microsoft product from at all. So let's just take a perusal here. So we've got a make file. That's interesting. Root level make file. I wonder if my Borland make command will work with this. It should. This isn't doing anything crazy. Well, that one isn't. These other ones might. So CPY. Well, these are all the different executables that get compiled with this. It's not just one thing. So that's all the tools. Oh, these are EXEs that they've committed here. Nmake. Did they? I think they compression convert. I wonder. Oh, MASM. Oh, they include the assembler. Oh, well, that's handy. I was figuring we were gonna have to go grab the assembler. Okay. Okay. BIOS. I shouldn't have to compile my BIOS. We'll see how that goes. The boot. Boot CLI. Interesting. This shouldn't be too crazy then. This shouldn't be bad at all. We should be able to do this pretty easily and then then we can start mucking around maybe. Yeah, This could be pretty easy actually. Um, so we need to copy this over to a. So I've got the code downloaded into my source folder here. I need to copy this over to the machine. So we're gonna do that real quick. There's actually quite a bit of code in there. It's probably, it's like 200 megabytes of code that it's copying over. That's interesting. So we will have to see, we'll have to figure out, well, actually, I guess the make files really tell it all, don't they? Set env. Setting system source. So one of the fun things about this is going to be to figure out how to build it. Oh, we should probably push out all the notifications, all the go live notifications. That might be helpful. All right. So everything starts with the set env, and then there's a run me. Oh. Set env. Oh, I should have got like a floppy. We should have booted this thing off of a floppy disk. That would have been the ideal. Um, we might be able to boot it off of a CD or even, well, no, we can't boot it off a USB disk. So, um, we'll have to figure that out. Maybe we even will need to like move it over and emulate it, in order to boot it. So we'll see. I mean, I have blank CDs. I don't have floppies, so we may have to boot it off of a CD. Oh, we can't boot it. We'll have to boot it in an emulator. We can't boot it. My scaler doesn't work properly with MS-DOS resolution, so we'll have to put it all the compiled binaries back on my desktop and run it in like QEMU or something. So that won't be a huge deal. So, all right, looks like all the files finally copied. Let's get over to Windows 98. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see here what we got. So we're gonna want to copy this stuff over. Oh, I also want to. Yeah. Here we go. I need a better view of what's happening over here. Okay, so let's go in here. I don't know what Uzi is. Multitasking MS-DOS. Oh. That sounds very interesting. We're gonna let's just start with 4. Let's just do 4. so let's copy this v4 into our source directory here. Source. Oh, I put it in my documents. This is gonna take a minute. So, ooh, exciting. Watching files copy. Let's get Vim up. Okay. Did file transfer, file copy was successful. All right, let's eject this real quick. Ooh, I need to. There we go. I was in my own way. Let's eject this drive so I don't forget, and blue screen. Just so I don't accidentally blue screen it by pulling it out of the machine later. Okay, so now now let's see what this stuff is all about. I don't know why the NetRW doesn't work. That really bugs me sometimes. Okay, let's open another one. We can have files side by side with. Okay. What do we want to open here? We want to, let's just go do, let's run the run me. Following steps must be taken to ensure a proper and complete build of the MS-DOS4 sources. Build environment setup env batch file provided will automate this process. This batch file must be modified to reflect the individual build environment, the drive volume, and path. The nmake utility is used to build MS-DOS4 sources. The global build started by invoking nmake at the topmost directory of the level. Individual modules are built by changing to the particular directory and running nmake. Useful nmake switches. Ignore build errors. Redirects to standard out. Standard error. After the build is complete, the copy.bat file can then be used to gather the binaries. Copy.bat file will copy the binaries to the directory specified on the command line. To use copy.bat, use cpy cben. Okay. All right. So we need So the path probably needs to be updated. Well, I don't know. Set env.bat. So what do we got? Setting up the build system source bat. CL, link, NASM, country, back route, home drive, directory of the sources, lib, back route source. Okay, okay. So this will be C my docu one source slash ms dos 4. Okay. V to the end of string. Yank. Slash and then we need to go back here. So what do we got? CL is in there, link is probably in there too. Yep. Okay. So these V so this will be cl.exe. This one will be link. Okay. Okay. Out of environment space. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I think we will have to move this down closer to the C drive, I guess. So let's do that. So that's in here. So they have it like like on its own drive, which is crazy. All right. Whoa, what happened? What just happened? Did I just recycle it? Restore. That's not what I want to do. I want to rename. There we go. DOS SRC. Okay, we'll try that. Oh, that screwed everything up. actually. So if the path is too long, that set env probably like that probably like wipes out a bunch of stuff. So see, it probably wipes out everything. So we're gonna keep this open, and we're gonna do all the commands in there. So vim set env.bat. Okay, so this stuff needs to change. So we need to say v yank into n %s / control r n cms or dos src. Oh, because there's fine, I'll type them all out, or type it out. DOS src. Yeah. Here we go. Out of environment space. What does that mean? Running or installing can sometimes out of this described. What? Oh, this sounds risky. Sounds really risky, but I think that's what has to happen. Okay. We will do that, and we will see if we wreck our install. c/config.sys. Oh. Find the parameter that starts with E. There is no... What? Um, there is no parameter that starts with E. I don't want to. Okay. All right. We'll trust them. We'll hopefully not wreck our install. I really hope this doesn't do that, but you know, we'll see. Vim c config.sys shell get, oh, let's do all cap shell get c windows command.com. So that's the main shell, E4096/p. Okay, I'm double checking this. C Windows Command Com 4096/p. Okay. Oh boy. And we're gonna have to reboot. What could go wrong? And I won't even see an error if this doesn't work. Please. Please work. Is it alive? Is it dead? Do we know yet? May have killed it. I may have killed it. Maybe not. There's a flash. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. Awesome. Okay. Alrighty. Let's try that again. Let's do... Okay. That made no sense. Okay. 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 Severe errors. Line too long? Is that why? Line too long. What does that mean? What is it referring to? Was the directory name too long? Is that why it wasn't working? Nope. Oh well. What's in here? So this. Line too long. End of file encountered on input file. 0 warning errors. A2106. Line too long. What do we... What do we got here? Okay, msboot.bin. Boot.skl. Link msboot. Exe to bin. msboot.exe. msboot bin. Copy boot bin to the include directory. Delete boon. Boot. Okay. Why? So that's the one that doesn't want to build. But if we go to CMD, okay, that just makes all the things. So what happens? Line too long. What does that mean? Let's go into let's go into sort. This all makes sense. Why would line be too long? Messages for the IBM boot sector null terminated. That's just the boot portion. Was any of this? Does any of this build? Lots of errors. So how do you know where the... I can't scroll back. MS Code. Why? I wonder why this is the way it is. I wonder. Yeah, I have 7 zip. I wonder if this has anything to do with the line endings? Let's go look it up. Let's go look it up. A2106 line 2 long. What? Hmm. Why is line too long? Oh, somebody else is trying to do what we're doing. Let's grab a fresh copy. Let's grab a zip here. Let's try that. Cause I think that might be the line endings might be the issue here. Which is a crazy bug to have, but I think that's it. Okay. So let's I have the flash drive over here. Okay, let's copy that file over real quick. And we'll unzip it over there so it's exactly how it comes out of GitHub, which should have the right line endings. Hmm. All right. It's even better with that computer because all the USB ports are inset, so you can't see them. Okay, so let's go back to here. So we're going to nuke this folder completely. I'm gonna delete this. Yes. Okay. We're gonna rename that guy. This one should be DOS. SRC. Okay. Okay. DOS SRC tools cl.exe. .exe. Masm. CL-Link Masm. DOS SRC. Okay. We're gonna do cd into the directory, and then we're going to do set env. Oh, this says Unix file endings. This may not work. We'll see. We'll see. cd DOS src. Okay. These are all Unix file endings. Dang. How can I mass convert Unix file endings? Help. Help. Win OS Win 32. No. Let's just go over it. Let's just search Google. Let's just Unix to DOS utility. Oh, cool. They give easy ways to replace a bunch of text in a bunch of files. Okay. All right. We're gonna go get the protected mode 32-bit. Okay, and then we need our flash drive back. Stop the flash drive. All right. Gotta copy these over real quick. Copy. Sometimes this flash drive doesn't show up. I don't get it. I don't understand. I mean, sometimes it does. And then sometimes it just doesn't. It would be way easier if I had like a network drive or something. There we go. New folder. Okay. That can go away. So all these copy. All these can go in my bin directory. Doesn't seem very happy. It's properly locked up. Maybe it's not 32-bit protected mode. Yeah, I would like to terminate the program. Let's try that one more time. Hey, okay. Okay. So there were recommended ways to run this too on here. Um, so now I have to run it. How do I use find on Windows? Percent G in startup BAT. Percent G. Syntax error. I don't know how this thing works. I forgot to. That would be helpful so you guys could actually see me. I completely forgot that. I think that's a modern. I don't think I can do that. I don't think I can do that. Still says Unix. Well, now it runs, which is more than it did before. Oh, but every single file. That hurts. I'm missing chat messages left and right. Well, I missed 2 chat messages, one on each side. One from YouTube and one from Twitch. Why? How am I supposed to convert all these? How do I run this on so many things? So I'd have to do dir/s. Is there a way just to do the file name? By size, by date, prefix, and reverse folder. /b. Okay. Can I say %? Would really help if I knew more about batch scripting. Let's go look at something real quick. How to use % in DOS. Run for command for each line piped in. Yeah, this is %. expands the path. I don't know. It's hard to tell what's available in Windows and what's not. Call. Echo 4, go to if, shift. Convert ASCII text files to valid Unicode. I'm gonna go the other way. See, I don't have cmd.exe. I wonder if the find command has a find Oh, okay. dir/s/b. Pipe that into find. Ooh. I feel like I'm so close. Like, I think the percent sign is supposed to do something. DOS. Okay, 4 set. Specify one or more files. Wildcards may be used. So I could say 4. In that doesn't seem right. Okay. Recursive 4 in Windows 98. No. Windows 98. Loop over lines in file. Do I have that option? Set command. Parameters. That's not what we want. There aren't parameters to 4. It's so limiting. How are you supposed to do this? Dash L denotes the 4 command will operate in a numerical fashion. Yeah, this isn't Windows 98 though. DOS does not. So when a file name is longer than 8 characters, DOS will truncate it. Powerful version of the copy command. Yeah. Delta remove. Ren rename. Attribute. Ping. Tracert. I don't think DOS has Xargs. No. I swear the percent operator is what I want. I'm having like a really hard time not believing that the percent operator isn't there doing what I want it to do. Like, it should do something for every line. Uh, strings arrays. Commands files. Hmm. Hmm. How does this work? Aliases, devices, debugging, logging, printing network registry, process. You have to. They say use GoTo. GoTo's dumb. I want to use GoTo. Yeah. Hmm. What happens if I say... What happens if I say... Percent... let's just try to get part of this working. I think we can do that much. So we need to find something. We need to find a small utility. Um join as a C file. No. Sort. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna go C, CMD, sort. Allocatable memory size, loading messages from usams.message. Message return code 1. So Unix to DOS make file, Unix to sort.asm, Unix it's not it's not okay. This is gonna take forever. Uh Oh, the include directory. Can you force get force get to pull using DOS file format? We may have to do this in on the Windows side before copying. Yeah. We may have to cheat. We may have to cheat. Okay. Swap real quick to this scene so you can see what I'm gonna do here. That's the wrong terminal. That's the wrong terminal. Other terminal, please. There we go. Okay. So I have Unix to DOS. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say /r. Actually, we're gonna do this in PowerShell. ls dot filter Oops. $. Oh, you can't see that. Converting those binary symbol. 36. What? Zero X1A. Okay. That doesn't work there. You have to specify it beforehand. Okay. Let's do that for all the assembly files. What other file types do we have in here? A lot of files. Okay, INI files. This is INC files. This is so tedious. So much work. Is it worth it? I don't know. Yep. The EQ, LNK, LNK, and EQ. Oh my goodness. Dumb, don't mind me. We're just closing that one. Okay. So INC, we want L and K. EQ. That was the other one. EQU. Oh, and TXT, of course. Okay. What else? .msg, I assume. Yep, that looks like... Oh, C and H files. Yeah. Those are obvious ones that I should have... Okay. LBR. Yep. I got INC, right? Think I did. BIOS had some weird file types. SKLs. I don't remember if we did those yet. Did make files. I think we're in a pretty good state here. Oh shoot, I typed the wrong thing. It's not what I wanted. Want I dot. There we go. Okay, and then we copy v4 over, and we need to go back to the Windows 98 stuff. Over here. Okay. Alrighty. One sec. I gotta copy these files. Copy this. Delete that. Paste. It's such a pain. GitHub just stores everything as Unix file encoding, and nobody thinks any differently of it. It's crazy the amount of work you gotta do to convert all this crap. Okay. Hopefully the OBJ files don't need to be done too. We'll find out though. Copy that. Rename this. Rename this to be DOS SRC. Okay. Okay. How do you get the frickin' how do you put it in there? Oh my goodness. Okay. Close that. We need okay. Bin. We need to delete this. Copy. Copy. Paste. Okay. It's just painful doing any of this stuff. It's crazy. Crazy. Now I gotta do that again. Hmm. Why? DOS. That's why. Line too long. Still. Line too long. Oh, well, I guess we can make this at least. What's messages? Country. Oh, well, that's easy. I'm not worried about that. Line too long. Why line too long? U1073 don't know how to make MS Code ASM. Hmm. You know what? It's 9:30. I think we're gonna have to take a crack at this at a later date. I don't think this is gonna work tonight. Hmm. Well, if there's anybody out there watching, I hope you have a good night, and we'll do this again next week. All right.